Welcome everyone to Market Mornings, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. My name is Robert Roy, and this update is for Friday, February 3rd, 2023. Let's go ahead and jump right in, keeping in mind that everything we look at is for educational purposes. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. If you like what you see, make sure you follow along with the latest and greatest of everything that we're doing out there, various social platforms. Certainly subscribe here on YouTube, ring the bell so you get notified of everything that we put out there. And then go over to tradinglikeaboss.com, folks. Today we've got a brand new training. Every Friday we do a brand new training. It's a trading coaches playbook, it's called. And inside of there we have different coaches: Ryan Litchfield, Brandon Wendell, and Tony Benson. All of them amazing coaches. Between the three of them, near 100 years of experience of trading. So take advantage of it, guys. This free 1 hour training out there. And of course, everything else that's going on. Oh, brand new. We got it up there. There you go. New training, guys. Crushing it with volatility. Sean Reed, brand new coach that's joining us here at WealthBuildersHQ.com. Ta-da! There's the announcement, right? This is the first time I'm talking about it publicly here on YouTube. So make sure you check it out, guys. He's got a couple of free trainings coming up. He's going to show you the things we talk about here, how he uses Vega, volatility. V for Vega, V for volatility. How he uses volatility, not theta, to help determine his spreads that he does. And he crushes it on his numbers. I see what he does every week. He sends it off to me. All right, so let's go ahead and jump back in. We're going to start off with economic reports. We got a few today. Average hourly earnings, non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate, all really the same report. Different numbers run from them. And then the PMI comes out at 10 o'clock today. So that is during market time that's happening. We've got a lot of reports coming up next week, including Fed Chair Powell speaking on Tuesday. So plan for that. That could be a iffy one. All right, let's take that down. Let's look at the futures. The ES is down 28. The Dow is down 84, better than it was. NASDAQ, NASDAQ night last night, baby. Amazon, Apple, Google, all announced. Not so hot. So NQ down 156, RUT's down 4.5. Bitcoin down 335. They're under 24 again. 1659 on Ethereum, they're down 31. Gold's down a little bit at 1. Crude's down a little bit, but I'll take any little bit on crude down. 75.74 right now. Okay, so let's go over and jump right in. We're going to start off first and foremost with the S&P 500. So what the heck is going on? We did it. We ran into that 41.81 level. We closed at 41.7976. 41.81 is a major fib level. If you use a Fibonacci number series, that is a major Fibonacci level that we've got right there. It has been a long time since we've been there. We hit it on the upside back here in August of last year, and we fell through it in August as well. So it was a quick pop and a break to the downside. This is what I was waiting for, guys. I wanted to close above that 41.01. Ideally, I was looking for the pullback to it. We didn't get it. We got that gap up yesterday, and we ran right into that level. We've got a little bit of a confluence with that 41.7056 level, which is the fib line, and the 41.81. All right, let's jump in. Apple, very first one. They're down $3.42. They were in a bullish bias as of yesterday. They dropped down to 147.5, which puts them down here. We're going to look at a bear call spread above 149. Or an option, right? A long option or short. You could do credit spreads. You could do a directional trade. I trade Apple. I like Apple. I know Apple. I'm going to be looking for directional options on it. Amazon, very similar picture, isn't it? To the downside as well. They're down $4.91, down to 108 even right now, right there. And we're sitting right at that fib level, guys. So we're going to look at a bear call spread above 113. Or an option. All right, next, Clorox, CLX. Right? All of these, everything today, everything is on earnings. Clorox up $6 right now to 147. They were in a bearish bias. They blew through this 144. They're up about in the middle. So we got 44.50. That's $6. Clorox is 620. We do not need a fib in there. So we're gonna look at a bull put spread, put them into bullish bias, which is great, below 144, and we're at 147 right now, so that's fantastical. Cirrus, C-R-U-S, right? Also earnings, they're down $3.89 to $91 even. All right, I didn't catch this, or I missed it when I was doing it. Cirrus, guys, I'm going to say pass on it next. We've got a lot of candidates today. They have no weekly options on them. So we're going to just pass on them. Right? Gilead, G-I-L-D. Right. Ooh! Okay. Crush. Right? At least it was the other day. Today they are up on earnings to 84.53. They're up 314. So 84, we are right at 84.53. We're right above the 21 moving average. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below 83. I'm going to do it aggressive, a little too tight for me coming out of a bearish bias. Google, woo, man, I love the gap up and then correction time. They're down $4 today, right? So I was like, wait, what? What just happened? What? So we're sitting at 103.62. So we're in here. So guys, what does this want us to do? Right? The bias is bullish. Yes, we had bearish news on it today, and I'm not saying it's not going to continue going down, but the bias is still bullish. The news could not drive it into a bearish direction at this point. So I'm going to look at this only because I am a Google trader. I love Google. We're going to look at an option trade on this. So we're going to look for a directional option trade. Up or down, it doesn't really matter. All right? Next, we got Qualcomm. Also earnings, they're down 385 to 132 even. So where does that put them? Right, barely below the 8. Yeah, I know, it's very painful. Barely below the 8, 132.90. We're at 132. We're going to look at a bear call spread above 135. Might want to consider it aggressive. And then Starbucks. So I'm going to put an aggressive for that one, for Qualcomm. Starbucks, also earnings, they're down 208, not bad. They're down to 107 even right now. Even that bid ask is good in the pre-market. So, but strong bull market up to this point. They're down to 107. We're just below our 8 moving average. We're doing this for a day. We're in and out today. It's Friday. It's the end of the week. So we're going to look at a bear call spread above 111. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Have a great rest of your day. Make it a profitable one. And I will see all of you next week, Monday, for our new start again. All right, take care, everybody. Have a great one. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.